Mabuhay ka mabuhay and kamabuhayers. Once again, I would like to document a day in the life of the retired teacher here in Davao City. Again, today is the schedule of our garbage disposal. So I'm bringing again my garbage bag. As much as it is so heavy, so I just bring one bag at a time. This is my routine every Wednesday, looking for the place of collection of our garbage for 1 week. So here it is. I can see now the designated area. There are already many garbage bags here. Have a glance, and I will be putting mine here. Yeah, I have to go back. I still have one garbage bag. So this is my life here in Davao. Let's go and get another garbage bag that must be disposed this week. I just love my duty now every Wednesday, as much as my did not report to her work because according to her, she needs to spend the Christmas day today with her family. So here I am. I'm the one bringing our garbage bags. Let's go and pick another bag there that we need to throw. So here it is. I already packed it well yesterday. Okay. Let's go again. Actually, I have to pass only this way, going to the designated area of the subdivision wherein we can dispose our garbage. Okay. So let's pause for a while to regain more strength. Oh, this is it. Garbage, another bag. Finally, I already disposed my garbage on this garbage area collection. The dump truck will be picking up in a few minutes. So I'm done disposing my garbage, 2 garbage bags. This is only the time wherein I can go walking and enjoying my morning walk here. So it's a really wonderful time to go around the subdivision on morning. It's past 7 o'clock already, but the dump truck will be arriving before 8 o'clock. So I am just on time to dispose the 2 garbage bags. Let's go over there to check if there's still garbage not collected. No? I think I can see in the distance that is the garbage truck. I was really on time to dispose this garbage. The truck is already there. Garbage truck to pick up. Oh, there's another designated area of the subdivision picking area. Let's go. Passing by the school bus service, San Pedro College. This is the wonderful library in Davao. Students who are here, learners who are here in the subdivision, they will just be picked up by this school service bus, San Pedro College. There it is. It's good. I make it in a distance. That's the dump truck picking up garbage of the homeowners. This is my Davao life. Davao is known as the cleanest, safest, disciplined city. As you look around what I am transversing, there is no scattered garbage. Okay, that's the dump truck, the garbage truck. They are already mabuhay. So they have the in action, collecting the garbage here. This is it, the garbage truck. Morning, yeah. Likewise. Yeah, shout out. Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Yeah. Oh, thank you for getting our garbage. So this is how Davao is being maintained as the cleanest city with our hardworking staff. Thank you. So it's our basura day, garbage disposal. Thank you. That's the garbage truck with the staff. Okay. So it's really wonderful life in Davao. Let's have a selfie here. Selfie with the dump truck. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. The basura day here in Davao. Pose. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's really a big dump truck. The staff is picking now the garbage here in front of the residence. There's another one. As long as the truck will pass by your house, you are also allowed to put your garbage like this. This street is known as Euphrates Street, named after a river in Mesopotamia or now Iraq. Okay, as long as the truck will pass by, so you're allowed to put in front of your residence like this. But if your street is not the main road, this will bring it into a designated area of the subdivision. I am transversing, walking here in the Millionaire Street. Another one. Millionaire Street, residential Del Rio subdivision. Katalunan, Pequeño, Davao. So another one that will be picked up by the dump truck or the garbage truck. So this is it, my shared episodes today. A day in Davao City, featuring the disciplined, CPs, cleanest Davao life is here. So I'm almost near the covered court or the gym. So this is my day in Davao City, featuring the garbage day. Live and alive, I am your retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindo. Live and alive, Residential Del Rio Subdivision, Talomo District, Davao City. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining me my vlog today. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Thank you Kamabuhay. Thank you Kamabuhayers, viewers, friends, Facebook friends, of course, Karils and everyone on Facebook. Mabuhay!